Rapid fire in 1 minute. Let's learn. Which body part is absent in birds? Forelimbs, hindlimbs, pectoral girdle or pelvic girdle? The correct answer is forelimbs. Which of the following bones form the wishbone of birds? Is it the hindlimbs, clavicles, skull or pelvic girdle? Actually, the clavicles form the wishbone of birds. Which among the following are flightless birds? That is, birds that can't fly. Cranes and kite, kiwi and penguin, ostrich and flamingo or emu and flamingo? The correct answer is kiwi and penguin. Which bird never builds its nest? Hen, pigeon, cuckoo or none of the above? Quite simple. Cuckoo doesn't build its nest. The last one is for you. Give your answers in the comment section below. Bye-bye.